Hello everyone, my name is Khang. Chicken breast today. Let me share with you. Very tasty appetizers. Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. First add a spoonful of salt to the chicken breast. Add another spoonful of flour. Salt and flour. Rub him on the surface of the chicken breast. It can effectively wipe off the mucus on it and the blood in it. After rubbing, add a little more water. Because flour has a strong absorption capacity, just give it the flour on the surface of the chicken breast. Scrub clean. That's it. After washing with salt water, put it in clean water. Wash the chicken breast again with water. Washed chicken breast, put it on the cutting board after water control. Because the chicken breast is thicker, we first slice it in two with a knife. First cut the chicken breast into long strips. It's about 2 centimeters thick. Then come across again. Cut all the chicken breasts into small cubes. Cut and put in a larger bowl. Then simply marinate. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce, a little balsamic vinegar. Sprinkle some pepper, a little sugar. Squeeze on a little oyster sauce to freshen up. Then start to grasp and mix well. Let every piece of chicken breast can fully absorb the juice. Let's marinate it in advance. Can make chicken breast more tasty. And it can remove the fishy smell and increase the fragrance very well. After grabbing well, crack an egg into it. Adding eggs can lock in moisture. It can also make the chicken breast taste more smooth and tender. And then finally, some cornstarch. Add starch. It can make the surface of the chicken breast have a protective film. It can lock in the moisture inside. And it makes chicken breasts. It tastes crispier when fried. Finally, drizzle some cooking oil. After grabbing well, put it aside to marinate and set aside. Next, prepare some garlic. Slices of garlic. Then cut some ginger and shallots. Then we prepare a fresh green pepper. Cut it into long strips first. Then change the knife and cut it into small cubes. After cutting, put it in a small bowl for later use. Prepare half an onion. Cut it into cubes as well. Then prepare a spoonful of prickly ash and some dried peppers. Next, add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce to a small bowl. A small spoonful of dark soy sauce to improve color. Add an appropriate amount of salt, a little chicken essence, plus a spoonful of ground cumin, a little oyster sauce, half a spoonful of cornstarch. Then add a small half bowl of water. Then stir well with a spoon. Let the seasonings inside melt. Stir well and set aside for later use. This time, Pour a little more cooking oil into the pan. When the oil temperature is 60% hot, pour the chicken breast in and fry it. Stir it apart with chopsticks. Let it heat evenly. Turn on low heat and fry slowly. Fry the chicken breast until golden and crispy on the surface. The outside is golden like this in the fried video. You can fish it out and control the oil for backup. Next, add a little cooking oil to the pot. Pour down the onion, ginger, and garlic and fry until fragrant. Stir fry until fragrant, add chili and prickly ash. Continue to stir fry evenly. The aroma of fried pepper. After frying all incense, add in the green peppers and onions. Continue to stir fry evenly and fry them till they die. After frying, add the fried chicken breast. Add a handful of peanuts at home conditionally. Pour in all the prepared ingredients. Then turn to high heat and quickly stir fry evenly. Let the chicken breast absorb the aroma of the sauce again. It's like this, very simple and delicious. Stir fry the chicken breast and it's ready to come out of the pot. Next, put it on the plate. The chicken breast is really delicious. Add some peanuts to it. It's really wine and dinner. Every time a guest arrives at home, it's not enough to sit on such a plate. Crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Take a bite and leave a mouth full of fragrance. If you don't think so either, if it's wrong, just collect it and try it. If you like my video, remember to like it and follow it. Leave a message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.